Welcome, today I am with AirPods 3 and I will show you how you can set up Optimise battery charging. So but first just open the case, next move to the Bluetooth settings, find your AirPods. When we are connected we have to tap on this information icon and then go right here below. As you can see we can find here the Optimise battery charging. So if you want to retest the battery aging of iPhone and AirPods, they will learn our daily charging routine. So our AirPods can wait to finish charging past 80% until we need to use them. So if you want to use this option, if you want to take care of the battery of your AirPods, just definitely leave it like that. It's set up as a default, as you turn it on. But if you want to always charge them to the 100%, just turn them off. Confirm, and that's it. But honestly, I recommend you to stay with this option. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.